Hello friends, so welcome to day. My today's topic is how can I handle when I am getting freeze or when my mind goes blank. If I am given an opportunity to say something or speak something in front of a group of people, a panel or a crowd in public or in a one-on-one conversation and my mind goes blank. So I have an example, and that is, I'll tell you. You know, it happened with me quite a number of times that when I was giving an interview, I was talking to someone in a social meeting or pressure is so high to say something. My mind went blank and simply my lips, they started mumbling and my facial expression became so nervous that I could not able to give the right answer to that person or could not able to speak something. There is exercise, there is a plan for that. So the framework which I'm going to tell you is PrEP. PrEP is point, what is the point, then coming to reason, what are the reasons for that point, give an example, and then revise the point. So it's a perfect framework which I have found lately, and I think it will work in most of the cases. I'll give you an example. Someone is asking me, what are the benefits of doing exercise on daily basis? So for this one, I will say P. There are so many benefits when you do daily exercise. Then come reason. Doing exercise is not only provide your body some energy and you will feel more enthusiastic on daily basis, and then it will reduce your body fat as well, and your body will feel mesmerized, cool enough. Then example is, we can do some running, brisk walking, we can do some push-ups on daily basis. Swimming is one of the best exercise I would recommend. And then point fourth is back to the point. So these are some of the examples of doing exercises, and this makes exercise as one of the biggest tool in a healthy life. So these are the benefits of daily exercise. PrEP is one of those framework which works, and it is working for me, and it will definitely work for you.